watch the video about phonics song? They just sing along the song and learn all the action of the sound. Well, in this video, we will teach you how to blend the sound of the letter that you have learned in the previous video in order to form words.
Hai semua, adakah adik-adik semua sudah menonton video phonics song? Adik-adik ikut menyanyi dan buat gaya sekali tak? Dalam video ini kami akan mengajar adik-adik cara-cara untuk menggabungkan bunyi yang kita telah pelajari untuk membentuk perkataan.
Do you remember the action for each sound of the letter? Today, we are going to use the actions while blending the sound together.
Adakah adik-adik ingat semua pergerakan bagi setiap bunyi? Hari ini kita akan menggunakan pergerakan atau gaya tersebut semasa menggabungkan bunyi.
Are you ready, everyone? Let's start!
Do you still remember my friends over here? Meet Madam Kalila, Madam Saliza and Madam Hayati. We are going to show you how to blend the sounds that we learned in the last video in order to form words. Okay, so this is how it will work. You will see the letters up here and all my friends will do the action for each letter. Then we will say the sound of the letter and try to blend the sound together. Let's give it a try. Now, let's look at the first letter that I have here. Can you tell me what is the name of the letter? C. Very good. Now, what about the sound? Alright, now let's go to the next letter. Okay, can you see the letter here? Yes, the letter is A. What about the sound of the letter? A. Very good. Now let's go to the next one. What letter is this, everyone? Yay, T. Very good. What about the sound of the letter? Okay, very good. Now, let's try to blend all the sound together. Okay, let's start from the first sound. K, E, T. One more time. K, E, T. Can you hear it? At. It will become cat. Okay, very good. Now, let's try another one. This time, I'm going to call my friend, Teacher Liana.
Okay, now let's go to the next word. Can you see the letter here? What letter is this? M. How does it sound? What letter is that? U. How does it sound? R. And what letter is that? G. How does it sound? Okay, now let's blend the word together, the letter together. A, G, ma. Again. A, G, ma. Okay, let's go to the next word. What letter is this? B. How does it sound? What letter is this? I. How does it sound? E. What letter is this? N. How does it sound? Okay, now let's blend the letter together. E. Again. E. P.
Okay, kids. Now, let's try 4 sounds. Okay, so what letter is this? V. Very good. How does V sound? V. Very good. Now, let's go to the second sound, the second letter. What letter is this? E. Very good. How does it sound? A. Woo, very good. Now, next. What letter is this? S. Wow, very good. How does S sound? Woo. And let's go to the last one.
important to try to blend the sounds to form words on your own. Baiklah, sekarang tibalah giliran adik-adik untuk cuba menggabungkan bunyi untuk membentuk perkataan. You can do this activity with your teacher, parents, or friends. Let's go! Let me show you how to do the first one. Let's look at this letter. Can you tell me what is the name of this letter? M. Very good. How does it sound? Now, please do the action. Very well. Now let's look at the second letter. What letter is this? Yes, you are right. It is A. How does it sound? Ah, very good. Now, do the action. Awesome, kids. Now let's go to the third letter. Can you tell me what letter is this? P. Very good. How does it sound? Very well. Now you do the action. Good job, everyone. Now let's try to blend all the sounds together. Are you ready? Repeat after me. A. A. One more time. A. Map. 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 Alright, kids. For the next rounds, you do it on your own, okay? Let's try. Okay, what letter is this? How does it sound? Now, do the action. Very good. Next, what is the name of this letter? Good. How does it sound? Very well. Now, do the action. Good job. Now, let's do the third one. What is the name of this letter? Good. How does it sound? Awesome. Now, do the action. Very well. Now, let's try to blend all the three sounds. Pa, o, t. Pa, o, t. So what word do you get? Did you get pot? Yay! You did a great job, everyone. Let's do one more. This time, let's do 4 letters. What is the name of this letter? How does it sound? Please do the action. Next, tell me the name of this letter. How does it sound? Now do the action. Let's go to the third letter. What is the name of this letter, kids? Good. How does it sound? Very well. Do the action. Good job. Now let's take a look at the final letter. What is the name of this letter? Good. How does it sound? Now do the action. Awesome, kids! Now, let's blend all the 4 sounds together. Can you repeat that? Okay, kids. Did you get the word desk? Very good. You did a very good job, everyone.
Alright everyone, I think that is all for today. We hope that you remember what we teach you today, and hopefully you can practice together with your friends, parents and teachers. Okay, that's all from us.